Hey guys and gals, little video just to maybe help some people clarify some things here for this week's assignment. So here we go. The assignment I put in comments here. We need to go full speed, half speed, quarter speed, and off. So that's 4 ranges of speed. They must be distributed between 15 centimeters far away, full speed, and 3 centimeters off. We want a serial print of your vehicle speed so you can use the monitor to check your code, okay, if we had our vehicles. So basic stripped down code you see in front of you here. Distance equals analog read of 0, pin 0. 3 centimeters from our first code equates to about 3.2 volts. And if you do that math there, that's about, let's see, calculator, 3.2 divided by 0.00488, 655. 650 we'll say. So that just gives us a baseline for when we reach 3 centimeters. Now we said we need 4 ranges, so that means we're going to have if statements to decide what to do with this dist. So if speed equals let's say 255 full speed. Now notice at the bottom here I'm analog writing to pin 9 speed. So I'm only going to write it once. In the if statement I'm setting the variable, and then at the end I'm going to send speed out. So if, and this is going to be furthest distance, which is going to be greater than 15 cm or greater. Now we need another one. Make that an else if, that way you can't do both. Else if, now we're going to go, this is going to be speed of 122, I said. So this is half speed range. Now we need a quarter speed range, right? About quarter. That was, what, 61, I think? 61. And I'm going to tab this whole thing in a little bit. It drives me nuts if I'm seeing the edge of my screen here. There we go. And now we have the final command is going to be an else. Else, otherwise, turn the thing off. Speed equals 0. So if it's not here, here, or here, go to 0. Now, you guys and gals need to divide this range, 15 cm to 3 cm, into these discrete areas. So if I were to just draw it out here, we have 15, we have greater than 15 cm, then we have 15 cm, then we're going to go to 3 cm, and less than 3 cm. So this is our distances here. And here we want to go 255 full speed. And in this area we want to go 0 speed. So in the middle here, you need to divide this range into 2 points where you 15 to something, and then something to 3, Okay, so what's the middle of those? It's about 6, 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 here, maybe 9. 9's the middle. So 15 to 9 would become our 122, and 9 to 3 would become our 61. All right, so you have full speed if you're greater than 15 centimeters away. We'll say 15 to 9, in my mind, really quickly now would be half speed. And then 9 to 3, we would be at about quarter speed. And then 3 and less than 3 centimeters distance, we're off. So what you guys have to do, you gotta convert those numbers to the analog right range. Okay, and I did it up here. 3.2 volts divided by that number gives you the actual analog read number, gives you the dist. Okay, analog read converts a voltage to a number and spits it out. So we have to work with those numbers. So here, this number is 650. So this range would be greater than 650. We go 0. So else, so here we're going, if it's greater than something and less than 650, okay, so we got to do the math on the voltages. You need to look at the chart, that curve, okay, that exponential curve. All right, this is a framework. You guys got to fill it in. Good luck. Join me on the chat if you have any questions. I can work through it with you.